Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to link an external URL or website into your Canvas assignment or page. So with Canvas, obviously, you all know, home page, where you'd want to go would be to assignments. Now you could create a new assignment or you could edit an old one. So for instance, I'm going to go into scarcity and trade. I'm going to go ahead and edit this one. Now, in order for you to link to another page, you'll need the URL for that page. So let's link our board meeting tonight. I can copy the URL this way. I could also go down if I wanted to, go to share, get the URL that way as well. Once I have that copied, I'll go back here. I'll highlight what I want to copy. So you can do any number of things. Maybe if I wanted to do a scarcity effect trade thing, I would just say link to URL. I would paste, or I can click to embed if I want to. I would paste like that. And so that way, when I say save, like I'm going to do in just a moment, it would show up with this video where they can click and voila! Now it's playing. Hopefully you can't hear that, but either way, so that's how you would add a link. Now, if you wanted to remove that link, oh no, I put the wrong link. What do I do? You just go up here to that little broken chain. So the chain is link, broken chain, remove link. Boom, back to normal. And then it's just a simple save and done. And that is how you link external URLs, so anything from a Google Doc to a YouTube video into Canvas. Woo-woo! Good job, friends. Have fun.